Hello everyone, this is my review of the Mike and Ike candy mega mix. This one is a sour flavor. This is a nice chewy gummy candy. We have some unique flavors here like the sour Zappin apple, sour Screamin cherry, is sour green lemonade, sour power pineapple, the sour grape soda, the sour Slammin strawberry, sour juicy lemon, sour pucker punch, sour watermelon wipeout, and sour Shockin raspberry. You can see they're pretty long and they're chewy and they're really sour. It makes you pucker up a little bit, but it's a good taste and I like them. And